Bruises, and it goes like this.
It's good to know you got a friend and to remember